Good morning. Period 6, Algebra 1. This is for March 19th on Thursday. We're going to go through our 9.2 samples, preparing us for our 9.2 quiz. So we're going to do one sample. We're going to graph using a table of values. We're going to find the vertex using negative b over 2a, just as you did on your homework for this lesson, and we're going to include 5 points on our graph to define our parabola. The equation that we're going to be graphing will be y equals 2x squared minus 4x plus 1. To find our vertex, we're going to find the values for a and b. A, of course, will be 2. That will be the coefficient on the x squared term. Our b is negative 4. That's the coefficient on the x term. The c value, which we will not use, is a positive 1. We'll use the c value in a later lesson. So here's our vertex. X is negative b over 2a. Our values are negative, negative 4. Since b is a negative number and there is a negative sign on b, negative, negative 4 for our numerator. Down in the denominator then, our 2a will be 2 times 2. Simplifying, negative, negative 4 over 2 times 2 gives us 1. That then is the vertex of our parabola. So our next step is to then adjust this a little better so you can see it now. We will make our table of values with our x coordinate 1 for our vertex. We will pick two values of x smaller than 1, so we'll choose 0 and negative 1 in our table of values. And the other x values we'll choose for our table of values will be two numbers bigger than 1, so we'll choose 2 and 3. You can see I filled out my table of values, plugging in the x values to my equation to determine my corresponding y values. So I've gone step by step in the middle of my table of values to determine my y values. Please make sure you do the same so you have accurate x and y values that you can plot for your parabola. Once I have all my x and y values in my table of values worked out, then I plot those 5 points. You can see that it is a parabola opening upward on the vertex 1, negative 1. So my vertex is the lowest point of this parabola. I have 2 points on either side of that vertex, and you can see I have a parabola opening upward. Remember, our parabola is a V shape with a rounded bottom, or if it's a parabola that opens downward, the vertex will be at the top. In this case, again, our vertex is at the bottom. So there you have it for samples for 9.2. It's time to study this and then move into your quiz, which you will find posted in Google Classroom. Thank you.